Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Mango app. You will go to settings. Here in this page, you click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about Mango app and you will click here. In this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. After that, here you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.